2003 Range Rover engine size 4.4. How to replace alternator? First time you remove the cover pan coolant, the pan coolant. And remove the rider bell, tensioner here, alternator this one, and remove the bowl. This the connect. And remove this bowl, and take off the pulley tensioner. Remove the alternator. Remove the alternator. Be careful, don't make the hole. Check the picture alternator. If the old, the new, the same the connect, and install the alternator. Be careful. Heavy. A little bit, yeah. Okay. And tighten this bolt. Continue to tighten the bolt. 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6 the bolt. Tighten his seat bolt and pulley tensioner and install the driver bell. And the pan coolant, the cover. Thank you watching video. If you like, support for me. Thank you. Next time I put new video.